This toolbox was released Black Friday at Harbor Freight, and it has become one of their best-selling toolboxes. I just had to go pick one up. I got it a couple days ago, and I have loved putting all my crap from my house in there. Just about any hobby I've ever been involved with, there's a whole bunch of little parts, right? And this box is perfect for that. I was keeping it in the basement for a little bit. I think I want to buy another one to keep in the bedroom just to have all my little stuff I carry in my pockets every day. This toolbox by Harbor Freight has been one of its most popular items to date. There was only one problem with it. These drawers have no dividers on the inside. If you put something in there, move stuff around, open and closing the drawer, stuff rolls all over the place. I looked at the software that my 3D printer has, and I quickly realized that people have already made dividers for these things. If you know somebody with a 3D printer, ask them to print these dividers out for you. They go right here in the top tray, and there's also shelves. These little shelves hang on the side. Now, I will say this about the shelves I found, it doesn't allow the top to close. The top has to stay open now, but you've got all this extra space hanging right on the side of your box. That was the only problem that I found with these, is that opening and closing the drawers, stuff got all mixed up. I didn't design any of this stuff. Wanted to let you guys know that if you're having problems or you just wanted to make this even more organized than it already is, just look the trays up, have somebody print them for you. I have a printer. They worked great for me. It fits all my knives, pocket knives, wallet. It fits all this stuff perfectly in it, and I'm really enjoying it so far. Yeah, I don't know if you can see my breath, but it is 9 degrees in the top of my garage right now. So I've got a space heater going, but I thought I'd come out here and tell you guys about these trays I printed for the top of the toolbox. They're working out really well. If you don't have a 3D printer and it's something you want to get into, in the description below, I'll link a couple of 3D printers if you guys are interested. Some cheap ones that I've had success with. Anything I link in the description, it's an affiliate link. So that's a small way that you guys can support me as a creator if you would like to. No pressure. But if you're going to buy something that I have here or want to use, if you go through those links, I get a couple percent. It's not much, but it adds up, right? So thank you guys in advance. Let's take a look at this box for you guys. So these are the shelves that I found. I would just search Harbor Freight Toolbox shelves in the search for the 3D printer, and that's what you're going to find, right? They work really well. They're stable. You can't put anything crazy heavy on there, but I don't think you're going to. And it has these trays that come out. And then underneath is this section of grid. And the grid just lays flat in your toolbox. Next to the other piece, there's 2 sections of grid. So those sit in there. And then all of these trays, you can print any size tray you want. They all fit right in the squares. So no matter what you want to fit in it, you can print the right size tray to fit whatever part you want. They also make inserts for each drawer. I have not printed those yet, but those seem like something that I might print here very soon. I've got a watch in the bottom drawer, a couple of multi-tool knives in the second, then in the top I've got knives, lighters, little tape measure, stuff I carry with me at certain times. If you search organizer for US General or for mini toolboxes in any kind of software, you're going to get all of these very cool size trays that you can print out and use to store whatever you want. I just wanted to say thank you so much, guys, for stopping by and checking out my video. Again, I just wanted to make a quick little video showing you guys this cool thing I found to 3D print on a website so that you guys can make these for your mini toolbox. If this helped you in any way, or you think you're going to print these off for your tiny toolbox, I'd love it if you guys would like the video. Maybe consider subscribing if you're going to like more content like this. But I just wanted to thank you guys again for being here. Like I said, if you guys need filament or a 3D printer or a tiny toolbox like this, Amazon makes some. I'll throw them in the comments if you guys want to try them out. Do you guys have any more ideas that I could do to this tiny toolbox? I'm all about if you guys have little mods or wheels or a cup holder or something you think I could make, that'd be pretty cool. So if you guys have any cool ideas to do what I should do next with the tiny toolbox, tell me in the comments and I'll talk to you there. I just wanted to show you these really cool trays. I think they're really neat. Consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot, and thank you guys so much for watching the video. My name's Zach. On this channel, we talk about tools and review things that homeowners need in their lives and that blue collars need to do their jobs. You guys have a great day. Bye.